In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Shopify storefront to your MailChimp account. This will enable you to sync customer data between Shopify and MailChimp. This will enable you to run campaigns based on your Shopify data in MailChimp and also create pop-up forms in MailChimp, which you can then use on Shopify. So first, log into your MailChimp account, then go to Integrations at the left-hand menu and then Manage. Then click Connect New App. Then search for Shopify and click on the Shopify app. Next, click Get Started. That will take you to the Shopify store. If you click Install for the app, then be asked to log into your Shopify store. And then the next stage is to install the app. Then you'll be asked to connect your website. This one's called 𝗓𝗏𝒏 to MailChimp. So let's just log into the MailChimp account by clicking the green login button. And log in. Get a verification code. Authorize MailChimp. Next, we have to review our sync settings. This is how the data between MailChimp and Shopify synchronizes. There's a number of options to set here. First, the audience that is being used. So this is the audience in MailChimp where the data from Shopify is stored. We have to choose the contact types which are stored in Shopify. The options are subscribed users and non-subscribed users. So subscribed users, they have to be synchronized. These are people who have opted in to receive marketing communication from the Shopify account. And also non-subscribed users. These are contacts that have interacted with the store, for example, made a purchase, but haven't opted in to receive email marketing. MailChimp can still use them, for example, in retargeting ads. But remember, if you sync non-subscribed users, you will then need a bigger MailChimp account. So which is the next point here. It's saying that in this account, there's nearly 60,000 contacts, but you'll need a plan in MailChimp which can cope with that number of people. In Shopify, you can tag customers, and this next bit is asking us whether we want to sync all the tags or whether it'll only sync the tags which you specify. If you only want to sync specific tags, then that is changed in Settings, Tag Settings, Sync Custom Tags. Finally, data fields. This is where you determine the data fields of the map between Shopify and MailChimp. So we can edit that and you can select the fields. So if we click Sync now, then this will start the sync process between Shopify and MailChimp. Because there's a lot of data here, this is going to take quite a long time to sync. So let's just click to continue on to MailChimp. And here we can see that the integration has been set up. It's syncing the information here. So here, the integration has been set up. It's pulling in the data from Shopify into MailChimp. If we scroll down to the bottom, there's a number of settings. Again, it's telling us which the synced MailChimp audience is. That's the only audience, which is called 𝗏𝒏𝒏.com. Giving us the option to create a pop-up form. We'll be talking about that in a future lecture. The next option is to sync the Shopify tags. It's asking you whether you want to sync the tags automatically or only sync specific tags. So once to change this, we need to go back into the MailChimp app, go to the app in Shopify, then tag syncing. We would need to deactivate syncing all tags and activate sync custom tags. And then we'd need to choose the tags we want to sync. There's an option here to turn in double opt-in. Double opt-in is when a customer signs up on the website, they then sent an email and need to click an email as well to actually opt in. If you select this, then you'll have fewer people on your list because the customer has to go through more steps to get onto the list, but you will have a higher quality list. The other options here is sync non-subscribed contacts to MailChimp. We talked about that just now when we were setting up the MailChimp app. And the last option is sync new subscribers to Shopify. That's the option to automatically create customers in Shopify when new subscribers are added to the MailChimp audience. So I've logged back into MailChimp and I've gone to the audience. I click on our contacts. Look at the column here, we've got source, and we can see that it started the import and the source is MailChimp for Shopify. So we can see that the sync between Shopify and MailChimp has started, and over a few hours, all the Shopify customers will be imported into MailChimp and you can start sending them campaigns.